auto transformer. In this lecture I will discuss what is the auto transformer, how to make auto transformer, okay, and we have discussed advantage of auto transformer, okay, with as a compared to two winding transformer and limitation of auto transformer, okay. First of all, we have discussed theoretical, we have discussed practical, after that theoretical, okay. Now suppose that two winding transformer two winding transformer rating, that is 100 kVA rated, 10 kVA rated auto transformer. Primary side is rated voltage is 400 volt and 100 volt. Primary side 100 volt and secondary side, primary side 400 volt and secondary side 100 volt. And rated current, what about rated current corresponding to this one? V1 I1 this equal to V2 I2. With the help of this formula you can also determine rated current in primary side and secondary side. 10 into 10 to power 3 divided by 400, that is 25 ampere. And what about I2? I2 is also written as 10 to power 3 divided by 100, that is 100 ampere. It is clear? This is 25 ampere and that is 100 ampere, okay. In primary side 25 and secondary side is 100 ampere. It is clear? Suppose that we have considered two winding transformer, that is 10 kVA rating, and rated voltage like this one and rated current like this one. Clear? Now I know that this is primary side and this is secondary side. Primary side means that is 100 voltage and secondary side is 100 volt. Primary side voltage 400 and secondary side voltage is 100 volt, okay. Now what is the direction, our motto, what is the direction of current? First of all, what is the direction of the current? I know that in the concept of dot polarity in network system already discussed, but we have discussed very short form. If connected here a voltage source, that is V1, and here connected a load, that is load, okay. Now I know that if current are passing through, suppose that V minus terminal to plus terminal, that is power, that is negative power. It means you can say that power deliver by source. If that is source, that is source. If load, that is load, okay. I know that if current are passing through minus terminal to plus terminal, it means that is power deliver. And if suppose that voltage V1 and current passing through plus to minus, what about power? That is V1 into I1. I know that is positive. It means power consume by, if that is load, or element, you can say that. It is clear? The concept of power deliver and power consumption. If current are passing through minus terminal to positive terminal, that is power deliver by source, or if this is element, that is by element, or load by a load. But if current are passing through positive to negative, then it is power consumed by load or source or whatever be the element. If you element, that is element. This is the concept of power consumption and power deliver. It is clear? Now here apply this concept in here. Now if current like this one and passing through like this one, it means -2 plus, that is power deliver, and in primary side, that is primary side, or you can say that primary winding, and that is secondary winding. Clear? Now current, what about current? That is 25 ampere. Direction of current positive to negative. Clear? It means power deliver and positive negative, it means power consumed by primary side. So what about power flow? Power flow from source to primary side, that is power flow. Direction of power flow like this one, power flow. It is clear? Power flow from primary side to source to primary side. It is clear? In transformer, two winding transformer. Now here, if that is power consumed, that is according to two winding transformer, power transfer through primary side to secondary side with the help of electromagnetic induction, with the help of phi m. Okay. Now current, if power is consumed, it means here that is power deliver. So current, direction of current negative to positive. If current are negative to positive, that is 100 ampere. This is 100 ampere, and power consumed by load -2 plus, direction of current -2 plus, power delivered by secondary winding to load. It means what about power flow? Power flow, direction of power flow from secondary side to secondary winding to load. Okay, clear? Now or vice versa, you can say that is vice versa, like this one. Suppose that, or vice versa, that is 100 volt and that is 400 volt. If source connected here like this one, if source connected here, it means direction of current negative to positive. So negative to positive, what about direction of current? That is 100 ampere. It is power flow from source to primary side, whatever secondary side, power flow like this one, that is power flow. Okay. Now if here load is connected like this one, power transfer through electromagnetic induction, that is phi m, to primary, or you can say secondary to primary winding, and this one, if power is consumed, primary side if power is consumed, then secondary side power is delivered. So direction of current -2 plus, that is 25 ampere, and power flow like this one, that is power flow. Clear? These two concepts are very important for connection of auto transformer. That's why it is discussed. Okay. First of all, make it. Now that is two winding transformer. In this transformer, no electrical connection between primary side and secondary side. It means you can say that VA is transferred inductively. So you can say that VA is transferred inductively VA induction through phi m, induction through phi m. Okay, so two winding transformer, you can say that is so two winding configuration that is electrical isolation, that is electrical isolation. Clear? So it is make it two winding transformer if VA rating 400 volt and plus minus, that is 100 volt, are represent like this one, that is 100 volt. Okay. Now direction of current, that is 25 ampere and that is 100 ampere, or that is 100 ampere and that is 25 ampere. It is clear? Represent like this one or this one. Clear? Now how to make auto transformer with the help of two winding transformer, two winding transformer rating. Okay, this is two winding transformer rating. Now we are focused on auto transformer. First of all, suppose that we have considered this one, make like this one and this one. And like this one. Okay, first of all, how to create, that is 400 volt dot like this one. Direction of current always positive to negative in this winding, and now this winding direction of current -2 plus, so -2 plus, that is 100 volt, direction of current -2 plus. It is clear? Our motto, we are focused on how to create auto transformer. First of all, case first, you can say that case first. 4 possible connection. First connection like this one. Now this one and this one. Okay, you can say there's 125 ampere, and this one, that is, what about V2, that is 500 volt, that is 500 volt. Now here, that is V1 is 400 volt. Clear? What about current? 100 ampere, it is also 100 ampere. Okay, now 125 ampere. Clear? This is auto transformer. Okay, now another way, S auto is written as V1 I1, this will equal to V2 I2. What about V1? V1 is 400 into I1 is 125, and V2 is 500 and into 100, that is 50 kVA. Clear? V1 I1 and V2 I2, the multiplication of V1 I1 and V2 I2, if both are same, if V1 I1 and multiplication of V1 I1 and V2 I2 of auto transformer is same, it means your connection is right. And if it is not same, it means your connection is something problem, okay, some mistake. That's why always follow corresponding to my concept, okay. First one like this one, second one like first of all like this one, after that connect. If you want to primary side is 400 or primary side like this one and secondary side this one, you can also create. Now it is clear. And in case of two winding transformer, now make two winding transformer like this one, (25 ampere) and that is 400 volt, and secondary side that is 100 volt, and direction of current like this one, okay. Primary side and secondary side no electrical connection, power transfer through phi m, that's why that is inductively. Power transfer through inductively. Now how to make? With the help of two winding transformer we create auto transformer, okay. Suppose that is two winding, okay, like this one, (25 ampere), 400 volt, and this is 100 volt, and that is 100 ampere. Clear? In primary side 400, same. Now what about secondary side? That is 500 and current is 100 ampere. Clear? Now if conducting wire connect like this one, conducting wire connect like this one, 100 ampere, so in conducting wire current is also 100 ampere. Clear? What about input current? That is 125 ampere, 25 plus 100. Clear? And primary side voltage in auto transformer, that is 400 volt. Clear? This is conducting wire through conducting wire, connected through conducting wire. And now another way, secondary side voltage in auto transformer, that is 500. This is 100 volt and this one is 400, same like this one. So you can say that 400, finally -2 plus. What about V2? That is 500 volt. Clear? Same, that is S auto. S auto is written as V1 I1, this will equal to V2 I2, this will equal to 500 kVA. It is clear how to make. Now in auto transformer, power transfer through phi m also, power transfer through phi m, it means inductively. and with conducting wire, and also with conducting wire. So no electrical isolation, that is conductively. Clear? In two winding transformer, power transfer through only through inductively, but in case of two auto transformer, power transfer through inductively as well as conductively. Clear? So no electrical isolation, no electrical isolation in auto transformer, no electrical isolation, but two winding transformer, electrical isolation, because of no wire are connected in between them. But here one wire is connected like this one, that's why no electrical isolation. So auto transformer configuration, you can say that auto transformer configuration no electrical isolation. Okay, right now, and this is source Vs like this one, and here load is connected here. That is load. Plus minus V2 this equal to 500. That is 500 volt, and V1 is 100. V1 is 100. V1 is 400 volt, and V2 is 500 volt. It is clear? So right now, VA is transferred via both induction and conduction. Okay, induction and you can say that conduction. If you want detailed discussion about induction, or you can say that inductively, so when you can say that when VA is transferred through phi m, that is induction. Clear? And what about conduction? When VA is transferred through conducting wire, that is conduction. Okay, this concept is clear. What is the meaning of induction and what is the meaning of conduction? Okay, another way, we are focused on what is the effect of overloading. We make auto transformer, actually in auto transformer only is conducting wire connect like this one, voltage rating is higher and also kVA rating is higher. Voltage rating, output voltage rating, input voltage rating like this one, and kVA rating, that is we got 50, 100 50 kVA S auto, that is 50 kVA, and in case of 2 winding that is 10 kVA, 2 winding 10 kVA, but in auto 50 kVA only with the help of conducting wire. So no electrical isolation in auto transformer, it is clear. Now next question rise, overloading is possible or not? First of all check. I know that it is clear. First of all make it. I know that in 2 winding transformer winding like this one, primary side is 400, secondary side is 100 volt, and that is 5 ohm. And what about current? That is 25 ampere, and here that is 100 ampere. Okay. Now in both case current are winding going going through current, that is 25 ampere in primary side, both same. What about voltage? Primary side in winding transformer same, and output voltage in winding transformer 100 same. And what about current? Is same. It means overloading is possible? No. So you can say that, another note, you can say that no damage to insulation because of no any winding is overloaded. Clear? It means it is advantageable. First of all make it. S auto, that is 50 kVA, inductively and conductively. Clear? Okay. In 2 winding transformer, power transfer through STW only for inductively, that is 10 kVA, that is 10 kVA. Okay. So you can say that out of which VA transfer inductively that is 10 kVA. Clear? That is 10 kVA. Now VA transfer conductively. Now VA conductively, this is equal to S R2 minus S TW. S R2 minus S 2 winding transformer, that is 50 minus 10, that is 40 kVA. So sometime question asking power transfer through conducting wire, how much? That is 40 kVA. How to determine the rating of auto transformer minus the rating of two winding transformer? Finally got 40 ohm. It means power flow through conducting wire, that is 40 kVA, and power through inductively, or you can say that power through induction or through phi m, how much? That is 10 kVA. Clear? Now second, another way, our focus, what is the efficiency and what is the power loss? Power loss is means iron loss and copper loss. We have discussed in two winding transformer, power loss and copper loss are same or different? First of all, I know that two winding transformer and an auto transformer, in both case primary side and secondary side voltage in winding, primary side that is 400, this is also 400, and that is secondary, like this one, secondary winding corresponding to winding, okay, not output, that is output, that is input, but in winding that is 400 and that is 100. I know that copper loss, you can say that, sorry, iron loss or core loss, it's depend upon voltage. If voltage are same, it means that is same in both, you can say that both configuration, two winding and auto transformer, you can say that right now in both two winding as auto, XMR means transformer, XMR configuration same voltage across each winding, that is same iron loss, or you can say that core loss. Clear? Okay, core loss is same, or you can say that iron loss same. But now what about copper loss? Copper loss is also same. Why? In primary side, in primary winding 25, it is also 25. Secondary winding, is it 100? That is also 100. So written as same current in each winding, it means same copper loss. Okay, so finally you can say that losses in transformer are same, in both transformer. Clear? Now we have focused on efficiency. So what about efficiency? I know that efficiency is equal to P0 divided by P0 plus losses, output power divided by output power plus losses into 100, how much? Now losses are same in case of two winding, or you can say that auto transformer, losses are same. But what about output power? It is different. But output power are different. Why? In case of two winding transformer, that is 10 kVA, And what about auto transformer? That is 50 kVA. It means, okay, S auto is greater than, in this question is greater. It means you can say that P0 auto is also greater than 2 winding transformer. P0, you can say that P0 auto is greater than P0 2 winding. Okay. Now, so efficiency is written as 1 plus PL divided by P0. Okay. If P0 is high, what about denominator? That is lower. And what about efficiency is higher? So you can say that same losses, higher power is transferred using auto excimer. That is efficiency. Why? Because of is greater than, that is 2 winding. Efficiency of auto transformer is greater than 2 winding transformer. It is clear? Okay. It means higher efficiency. That is higher. Okay. Now first of all make it. I will discuss another cases. This is making according case first. Now we make another second, third, whatever. Corresponding to case first, we got 500 volt and 400 volt auto transformer rating like this one, and current rating that is 125 ampere and that is 100 ampere. Clear? And S auto we got 50 kVA. Clear? Now another case second. First of all make it all. In case second, I know that auto transformer, in case of 2 winding transformer we get that is 10 kVA rating, and we make 400 volt and that is 100 volt, and this is 25 ampere and that is 100 ampere. Clear? Winding like this one, 400 direction of current, and in this winding if that is 100 volt, direction of current 100 ampere. Okay. Now we make another way, that is 100. Suppose that 100, another way plus minus 100 volt, direction of current 100 ampere, and now that is 25 ampere, that is 400 volt. Clear? Now another configuration, 104, that is 400, sorry 400 plus 100, that is 500. V1 like this one, and output voltage V2 is 100. Clear? What about current? That is 25. that is 25, it is also 25, and that is 125 ampere, and that is 125 ampere. V1 I1 this will equal to V2 I2, V2 I2 this will equal to V1 500 into 25, 500 into 25 this will equal to V2 this 100 into like this one, okay, sorry 125, 125 that is 12.5 kVA. Clear? It means connection is right. Okay, now in both winding, in both first case and second case like this one, what about auto transformer rating are different? It means connection change, VA rating change. Input 400, output like this one, or input this one and output this one. Here also you can say that V1 I1 500 and that is 100 volt, and what about current 25 ampere and that is 125 ampere, and S auto that is 12.5 kVA. It is clear? First of all discuss practically, and after that we have discussed in whole concept with the help of theoretically. Okay, you can say that standard notification, let A this be equal to higher voltage divided by lower voltage, whatever be the primary side or whatever the secondary side. If V1 is higher, that's why higher, divided by standard notification, that's why we consider higher by lower, 500 by 10 that is 5. Now here 500 divided by 400, A 500 divided by 400 that is 1.25. If you consider 400 divided by 500 that is 0.8, and if we consider 100 divided by 500 it means 0.2. It is not considered. We have considered only higher voltage divided by lower voltage. Higher in primary side, what primary or secondary? Okay, always prefer higher voltage but divided by lower voltage. Now A is 1.25 and A is 5. It means you can say that if A is higher, then what about kVA rating is lower. In case of auto transformer, point to be noted, in case of auto transformer standard notification, what about A? A is transformer ratio या transformation ratio, that is A is in generally V1 by V2 or V2 by V1, that is transformation ratio or transformer ratio, you can say that. Same, but in case of two winding transformer, K this will be equal to V2 by V1, but here we have considered higher voltage divided by lower voltage always. Now corresponding to these two cases, if A is higher, what about S auto? That is 12.5 kVA. Clear? That is standard notification. And if A is lower, what about kVA rating? That is 50 kVA. It means we have always tried, in case of a more advantageable, our motto as an engineer, our motto, we have focused on more higher, we make two winding transformer, two auto transformer high, with the help of two winding transformer to higher with our motto we are focused on to auto transformer. So with the help of conducting wire, with the help of also use conducting wire, so we make high kVA rating. Our motto we have create high kVA rating. If create higher kVA rating, it is more advantageable, otherwise no advantageable. Okay, as an engineer I want to more advantageable efficiency, create higher. So if a higher voltage divided lower voltage is higher, it means no more advantageable. Like this one, two winding transformer in 10 kVA, and if create two auto transformer, that is 12.5 kVA, no more advantageable. But if A is 1.25, what about kVA rating? That is 50 kVA, 5 times greater. It is 5 times greater. It means it is more advantageable. So as an engineer, which one is prefer? This one. This ratio always prefer. Practically A is less than 2 and greater than 1. A less than 2 and greater than 1 is more advantageable. So you can say that S auto is greater than S two winding only if A is less than 2. If create less than 2, it is more advantageable, otherwise no more advantage. This concept also discuss in theory. Okay, so don't be afraid. It's very difficult. What? Sorry, I feel very difficult about this lecture. So don't be a brother. I will discuss also. Now two cases also I will first of all create it. First of all make it. After that another two case I will discuss. It is clear why? Now, case 3. Case 3. That is 100 and that is 400. 100 means direction of current 100 ampere, 100 volt. And what about voltage across? That is 400 volt and direction of current is 25 ampere. Clear? Now this one and this one. If polarity are different, now case 3rd. If polarity are changed, like this one, polarity that is plus minus 400 and that is minus plus 100 volt. Direction of current minus 2 plus that is 100 ampere and that is plus 2 minus 25 ampere. Clear? Polarity are changed like this one. Now if connect like this one, minus plus and plus minus, 400 minus 100 that is 300. V2 this equal to 300 and that is 100 volt. Clear? Okay, 25 ampere, it is 25 ampere. Clear? Now it means if this is 25 ampere, that is 75. It means that is also 75 ampere, like this one. V1 I1, this will equal to V2 I2. V1 100 into 75, this will equal to, what about V2? 300 into 25, that is 7.5 kVA. After, okay, now if consider case third, what about kVA rating? Much reduction, it is your efficiency going to be minus. You can say that if try to this one, if polarity like this one, then what about kVA rating? It is very poor. So this case is never considered. Okay, so this case is never considered. Why? Because of kVA rating is more poor as two winding transformer. That's why after conducting wire, if connect conducting wire, after that we get kVA rating is poor, so it is not effective for as an engineer point of view. So now case 4, also discuss case 4, that is 400 and that is 100. Polarity like this one. If reverse it, if polarity are reverse, we got that is 400 volt, and direction of current like this one, and plus minus 100 volt, and direction minus to plus, that is 100 ampere. Clear? This is 400 and that is 300. Clear? And what about this is 100 ampere, it means that is 100 ampere, that is 75. V1 I1, this will be equal to V2 I2. V1 400 into 75 ampere, this will be equal to V2 300 into 100, that is 30 kVA. It is advantageable better than this one, but more advantageable, that is 50 kVA rating. Okay, first of all it is clear how to, most of the time question asking corresponding to this one. If two winding transformer like this one, create input voltage, we create auto transformer, we sometime question asking corresponding to, suppose that two winding transformer given like this one, and question primary side is 400 and secondary side is 300. We make auto transformer, primary side is 400 and secondary side 300. How to make it? Like this one. If concept of this whole concept are clear, then you make it. If your concept is not clear, it means you cannot make it. Okay, this is the totally how to draw the two winding transformer. Now how to create formula of two winding transformer. Sorry, we have focus on how to create formula of auto transformer. We have focus. Now let us see. Now that is two winding transformer, sorry, that is auto transformer, that is primary side and that is secondary side. Input voltage like this one and output voltage like this one. Okay, voltage corresponding, that is V1 minus V2, and that is V2. If current I1 like this one and that is I2, what about Ix? I1 plus Ix, this will be equal to I2, so Ix this will be equal to I2 minus I1. Clear? That is I2 minus I1. Okay, it means that is V1 minus V2 and that is V2. This is I1 and that is I2 minus I1. Clear? That is two winding and that is auto. VA rating of auto, that is V1 I1, this will be equal to V2 I2. Clear? And transformation ratio, we have considered V1 is greater than V2. So what about A, V1 by V2? I know that transformation ratio is V1 by V2 or V2 by V1, but here we consider standard. Let if V1 is greater than V2, so we consider here V1 by V2. If V2 is greater than V1, then A is considered V2 by V1. Clear? Now S auto like this one. For two winding configuration, S2 winding, this will be equal to V1 minus V2 into I1, V1 minus V2 into I1, or you can say also written as V2 into I2 minus I1. Clear? Now if V1 is common, it means V2 by V1, this into V1 into I1. I know that V2 by V1, that is 1 by A, so it is written as 1 by A into V1 into I1, that is S auto. Okay, so S auto is written as A divided by A minus 1 into STW. And what about A? Here A is greater than 1. Always consider A is greater than 1. First of all, make it S auto, this is equal to A upon A minus 1 into, okay. Now if I know that A is greater than 1, if consider A is greater than 1, then it is effective standard result. Now if A is 1.01, if A is 1.01, what about S auto? S auto, this will be equal to (1.01) divided by 1.01 minus 1, that is 10 divided by 01, that is 101 STW. If A is considered 1.1, then S auto rating is 1.1 divided by 1.1 minus 1, that is 11. That is 11 like this one. Clear? If A is considered 1.5, what about S auto? 1.5 divided by 1.5 minus 1, 0.5 divided by 0.5, that is 3 times. Okay, if we consider A this is equal to 2, S auto, that is 2 times. 2 divided by 2 minus 1, that is 2 times. And if A is considered like this one, what about S auto? 10 by 9, 10 by 9, that is 1.11. And if that is 100 divided by 99, that is S auto, that is 1.01. Okay, similarly if A is greater than 1, what about S auto? It is closer to TW. So you can say that auto exmer used mainly when A is less than 2 is more effective. X auto exmer is mainly used A is less than 2, then more effective, otherwise no more advantage. Okay, it is clear how to make auto transformer with the help of this formula, determined with the help of this formula, that is kVA rating of auto transformer. Okay, it is clear. In this lecture we have discussed how to make two winding transformer, how to make auto transformer with the help of two winding transformer. A conducting wire connect in two winding transformer, we make auto transformer. Clear? And what about efficiency is higher? Of course, some limitation. If A is greater than 1, A means higher voltage divided by lower voltage, whatever primary side voltage or secondary side voltage. Okay, A is higher voltage divided by lower voltage, and with the help of this formula, putting this value and find what is the rating of auto transformer. Okay, I have discussed more question in next lecture, so first of all make it